Are your tomato plants struggling? You might be making one of these 7 common mistakes. Planting before the weather is warm can stunt growth. Wait until the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed. Overwatering suffocates the roots and encourages disease. Water deeply only when the top inch of soil feels dry. Tomatoes love sunshine. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day for the best harvest. Overcrowding reduces air circulation and increases the risk of fungal diseases. Leave enough space between plants. Support your tomatoes with stakes or cages. This keeps fruits off the ground and makes harvesting easier. Feed your tomatoes regularly with compost or a balanced tomato fertilizer to encourage healthy growth and fruit production. Check your plants often. Catching pests early can save your tomato crop. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll enjoy healthier plants and a bigger harvest. Follow for more simple gardening tips.